Albert Einstein was a brilliant physicist who revolutionized our understanding of the universe with his groundbreaking theories. He was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, a small city in southern Germany. Einstein grew up in a secular Jewish family, and his father was an engineer. As a child, Einstein was fascinated by science and mathematics, and he excelled in these subjects at school. However, he was a rebellious student and didn't always get along with his teachers. Einstein's education was disrupted when his family moved to Italy, but he eventually returned to Switzerland to complete his studies. In 1905, Einstein published 4 papers that would change the course of physics. These papers covered a range of topics, including the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, special relativity, and the famous equation E equals mc squared. These papers established Einstein as one of the most brilliant physicists of his time and made him famous around the world. Einstein continued to make important contributions to physics throughout his life, including the development of the general theory of relativity, which explained the behavior of gravity and the curvature of spacetime. He also made important contributions to the development of quantum mechanics, which revolutionized our understanding of the behavior of subatomic particles. In addition to his work in physics, Einstein was also an outspoken political activist. He was a pacifist and spoke out against war and violence. He was a strong advocate for civil rights and spoke out against racism and discrimination. Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for his work on the photoelectric effect. He continued to work on physics throughout his life, but he also became increasingly involved in politics and social issues. He died on April 18, 1955, at the age of 76. Today, Albert Einstein is remembered as one of the greatest physicists of all time, and his work continues to inspire new generations of scientists and thinkers. His legacy reminds us of the power of curiosity, creativity, and imagination, and the importance of using science and knowledge to make the world a better place. Subscribe for more videos.